Welcome to VidV, where we explore the marvels of India. Today, we're taking a journey to witness a modern architectural wonder, the Statue of Unity. Standing tall at 182 meters, the Statue of Unity is not just the world's tallest statue, but a symbol of India's unity and strength. It's a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who played a pivotal role in the country's struggle for independence. Located in the Narmada Valley of Gujarat, near the Sardar Sarovar Dam, this colossal statue overlooks the river, embodying the spirit of the man who united 562 princely states to form modern India. The project was a monumental task, taking over 5 years to complete, with a total cost of Rs 27 billion. It was designed by renowned Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar and inaugurated on October 31, 2018. Inside the statue, there's a museum and an exhibition hall that chronicle the life and contributions of Sardar Patel. The laser light and sound show is a spectacle not to be missed, narrating the history and life of this great leader. The Statue of Unity is not just a feast for the eyes but also a hub for tourism. The surrounding area includes the Valley of Flowers, a vibrant spread of flora along the Narmada River, and the Sardar Sarovar Dam, one of India's largest dams. The Statue of Unity is a testament to the power of one man's vision and the collective effort of a nation. It stands as a reminder of our past and a beacon of hope for our future. If you're inspired by the story of the Statue of Unity, like, share, and subscribe to VidV for more incredible tales from India.